Page 3 of 4. Row 1. Page 4 of 4. My URL.
Yeah,
Speed test.
paragraph, to read one paragraph,
Double tap to open. Mail.
what should
2
we
new
use?
items. Mail. 2 new item. Mail.
Just
Mailbox
touch
section.
there and it will
Heading.
read that particular paragraph.
Esri Legasu. Esri Legasu.
No, I normally read blogs, na?
Unread.
Right.
Esha.
Like
On our
5-6
seventh
paragraphs,
birthday. Thank
huge,
you.
they'll be huge.
So you can just use this down swipe
Do
and
this
it will
as in
read.
your browser.
And interestingly, for Mac also you can use the swiping.
Vertical line.
Now I'll tell you the inaccessibility of the application.
View this message in your mobile. Link. Vertical line. Unsubscribe. Link. Vertical line. Draw. Link. Image. Don't cook, just eat. Link. Image. Stalk us.
What is that?
Facebook. Link. Google Plus. Link. Twitter. Link. BLR April 13th. Header below left. JPG. Image.
There's a
Mr.
JPG image.
Body says. Cooking is fun, provided you watch it.
Oh, they made their newsletter accessible. This is justeat.in. Good.
BLR
Not bad.
13th. Header below right.
Which
JPG.
one?
Image.
Justeat.in.
Just eat.
Yeah.
Inbox.
So this is iOS.
Voiceover.
It works with iPod, iPhone, and iPad and
How do
everything.
you turn it off?
I just triple click home.
You can switch it on also with this.
Yeah, triple click home. But
Srinivas,
first time you
so-
need to configure it.
You're not touching on the icons, right?
No, I'm not touching on icons. See, because for people who they don't know where are the icons, right? So I'm just doing the right swiping.
Okay.
Nama Metro.
Nama Metro,
Railway PNR status.
railway PNR status. Let's see.
Okay.
I'm not even clicking on the icon.
Okay.
So the focus actually goes
So
voiceover picks up the
speed
focus.
actually does matter.
Yeah, that's it.
Enter here.
Enter here. Text field. What is the what I need to enter? God knows.
Button.
Button. What button?
Again in
Short
accessible.
button?
Which one? Asana, na?
No, it's check PNR status.
Check PNR. Okay,
But
okay.
Android version is pure
Those
text.
button,
Power by.
that's it.
Heading Rebel 3.
It says some third party.
No, IRCTC one only.
No, it's not the web page. It's an app.
App only, I'm showing.
Oh, IRCTC does have an app.
Yeah,
I don't
Android
have
has-
it for
For
iOS.
Android.
For Android, they do have.
Yeah.
Okay, he will be showing you the Android thing now.
Before that, see one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
See, when I say accessibility, there are two parts I always see.
Uh-huh.
First is, are you able to access everything with the keyboard and screen reader and any other way?
Any assistive technology, not just a screen reader.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, okay, that part is fine and it's accessible.
Right.
VoiceOver, if I come to few things definitely in the VoiceOver.
Or with a switch.
But second thing, what I always see, efficiency.
Yeah,
How fast you are able to access the things.
Right.
How fast you are able to reach the element.
right,
Is it possible? If I'm typing something,
right.
it will be the voiceover. I'm
Yeah.
able to type as fast as good as how I'm typing with the touchpad.
Right.
That is, I always, second part I see.
Okay, I think the second part will actually depends on the practice that people you have. Okay, and in fact there are also apps for typing. There is something called Flexi. Okay, which did you use Flexi, Richard? Yeah. Once you want to use it now. So this actually predicts when you start typing it will predict the words and show you. Okay, but I know I have actually seen people with vision impairment who are totally blind who can actually type faster on iPhone than on the laptop.
iPhone is made in such a
Or iPad, yeah, any touch device. It depends on how we learn.
iPhone is more accessible. It's very easy to type on iPhone.
Right.
iPhone is in fact, the most accessible phone. When compared to Android, I would say iPhone is best.
Because in Android you have different sizes of the phones and even I also have an Android phone, of course, which is not with Jelly Bean. Okay, so it is not accessible. Forget about that. But even I find it very hard to type. And Kameshwar has Kiran, and I have the same phones. Okay, it's very hard to type on that.
So Raghu has practiced. He also tells iPhone is very easy to type. When
I'm much comfortable in sending messages or contacting people
Yeah.
through iPhone than Android.
Right. Given what you call on Android phone?
It's
how
a
do you-
Jelly Bean.
Oh, yours is Jelly Bean. Which
Yes.
phone is that?
It's Android Atix 4G, but this voice is flashed. The virtual
Okay.
version is Android 4.2.
Okay.
Now, should I show you the IRCTC?
But we all should understand that world will not go away with touch screens.
That's
In fact, some you will have even
Google
for
Glasses
turning.
has come.
No, even more complexities will come in the future.
Yeah,
Like
but
you will
this
not
is-
have the physical buttons for volume and all.
So no, so that is so the next technology.
I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah.
HTC is going to launch haptic flip, so you can use only hand. You need to touch the screen as well.
What happened
With the
to
gesture
this
navigation,
data
you can
card?
use the phone.
Hello, what happened to this data card?
Okay, just check it. No?
The icon says the device is ready to use.
No, but there should be a setup which should have been launched. Okay, let me see. I'm trying
Just
to.
open Google Chrome.
Srini, one more question here associated with that.
Go ahead.
This one. So you were saying there are people who are using Aspas has done laptops, even iPhone with iPads, right? I don't think they're using external keyboard.
No, iPhone.
iPad
iPhone. Actually, that keyboard type is there.
No, that's what. They also have external keyboards.
Setup, yeah.
No, the small keyboards will be there. Are they using that or getting that work done? That is what my question.
No. No, I myself I tried 2-3 days only, like half an hour a day. I myself
I thought you automatically
was
did it.
comfortable in iPhone rather than Android.
No, I'm not comparing with Android. I'm comparing with the touchpad. Touch.
The sound that I have created is so good.
It's really good. Yeah. The progress bar is awesome. Man.
Awesome.
Really awesome.
It's in NVIDIA.
Yes.
Progress bar 80%.
Oh, this is NVDA.
Yeah, this is NVIDIA. I'm using right now.
It's free
It's free.
and portable.
Portable also, yeah.
Portable.
You can actually keep the software in pen drive and plug it onto any laptop. It starts working. Or computer, whatever.
So earlier we used to work with JAWS, but it comes with 40-minute limitation unless we buy that.
Or unless you use crack.
Yeah, again true.
Don't
But with
actually, JAWS does not follow
JAWS, you know what? If you are really a developer and working on advanced stuff, please don't use JAWS.
okay,
That's my first advice.
now we have changed to NVDA. We're using NVDA for testing, but
Because the support for IA2 and Ajax based stuff with ARIA and all, NVIDIA has got better support than JAWS.
JAWS actually tries to say, this is the norm which you have to follow, and I set the norm. It's more like reinventing.
Who
the
is he to do that? Yeah, sorry.
But like in MSAA, NVIDIA always extracted information from MSAA, and now.
By the way, MSAA means Microsoft Active Accessibility.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. Such a junkie.
Initializing modem. Okay, and what will it do after that?
What? The dial-up is not accessible. You need to connect it through network dial-up connection. The dialer will not work.
Super.
The dialer at Photon also don't work.
Oh, we spent almost got it to 4. Very good. So you want to see the Android thing?
yeah,
Let's see the Android thing.
yeah.
Android is understand it first.
See, Android is not up to
And
as
another
iPhone
complaint I
as
have for
comfortable
Android
as
is
iPhone you
that
can use,
to,
but they are
updating the
coming
apps is
to the
horrible.
to meet the
You need to go there and
iPhone
sign
standards.
agreement.
So the version I'm having is
I don't
Android
understand
Jelly
why
Bean
they need,
4.1.2.
agreements and all for
So
open
this is
source
the most advanced version which has accessibility features inbuilt. Prior to Android 4.0 there is no accessibility. There are accessibility features that they were developing, that was in development stage. Here you can use I'll show you how to use the IRCT application.
It's monitoring, what application is
See, the only difference with iPhone and here navigation, right?
But Android is good.
For when you explore on the screen,
affordable.
for example, I'm going to the applications.
Change the approach to it.
See,
Access is not affordable.
you can just touch and explore what is there on the screen.
Okay,
The similar feature iPhone has got.
okay.
And when you want to open, double tap it, it will open for you.
Oh, so okay, this was one of the main questions that I had in my mind, like navigating like we have a mouse. So mouse actually can have a hover feature,
Correct.
which actually touch never has. So okay, by swiping over the icons, we actually get that effect, right? Effect, yeah.
And also, main feature as a developer you need to understand, right?
Yeah, if you
When
want
you're
to call
developing,
it, if you want to
keep
call
giving
it,
focus. Like as a mouse over if you give, there is no mouse here to use.
Okay.
So when you use focus kind of thing, so when you use your finger, the currently focus icon you can come to know what is there in the screen. As a low vision user, and so as a person who use senior citizens can also face same kind of challenges.
Okay.
So the same applies to the when you're developing application, iPhone or Android applications. Try to get the focus.
Okay.
So where actually the user will come to know where they are in.
Okay.
So I'll show you now IRCTI application.
You owe me a beer, Ruchir.
Sorry, I will not.
So there's a couple of gestures like so you don't need to use this home back buttons. You can use some gesture navigation that will perform different actions. For example, if I want to do recent tabs, I can use just one gesture. It will open it and it will read what are the apps are there when I'm moving the finger.
Okay.
So when I want to go back, I use just one left finger.
It's a user defined gestures or
Hand gestures.
you define the gestures
No,
or
it's defined
inbuilt?
by Android.
Okay.
And there are few gestures that are empty where you can create to perform some actions.
Okay.
So I open the Indian Rail application. Okay. So I'll just navigate, see where is the piano status button. So it's saying piano recovery. Just double tap it.
Okay.
So the keypad automatically opens.
Okay.
But unfortunately, the label is not associated, so I don't know what to type until I explore to here.
Okay.
See, it's saying enter piano press label. When I use on the edit box, it's not reading because the label is not associated.
Okay.
So these are the minor bugs that
Okay.
So you can take it off, and I can enter any piano. When I use keypad, I just keep on my number 5. That's
Okay.
my indexing.
Okay.
You can just, if I want to activate that, just lift the finger.
Okay.
It will open up. It will type it there.
If you want to cancel that action, what?
Cancel.
I mean, cancel means you are already no. Actually, you are already on 2.
Okay.
You move to 3, and you realize you don't have to enter
No,
a
until
number.
unless you release the finger,
Okay.
so it won't type.
Okay.
See, I'm touching here.
Okay.
I'm exploring.
And you want to, you don't want to type any numbers. Then?
Hey guys, just give me a minute. Let me introduce you to one gentleman here. So he's Mr. Lakshmipati. He is actually government council member of this organization. So this basically this group of people are